In this video we will show you how to use Logitech K760 solar keyboard. We have given a short description of this in our unboxing video. It is a solar powered keyboard with a solar cell on the top side. At the back side it works on two cells which are fitted below the rubber pad. They are charged by solar panel and there is a Bluetooth key here. We'll first connect the keyboard with an Windows 8 system. Later on we'll check it on Android and iPad also. Let's check how it works on Windows. For using it on Windows, you will need a USB Bluetooth dongle like this. There is no USB dongle available with the package. Once the dongle is connected, you can see the Bluetooth notification icon here. Just right click on it, click on show Bluetooth devices. Now in this, to add the device, first turn on the keyboard, press the Bluetooth key on the back side and you can see these are blinking. Click on add device. It is written as Logitech K760. Click on it. It will show you a pairing code. Type that code on the keyboard. And press this return or enter key. The keyboard is now connected. I will test out some application how it works. You can see the keyboard is working. As it is a Mac layout, so it is a bit different while using it on Windows. There are different set of keys available here. For example, the command key acts as the start menu key. Alt and control are provided next to each other. The function key allow you to different hotkeys feature which is available on the top side. The multimedia keys also work for Windows. When you press this button, you can see the volume mute icon on the desktop. This is same for reducing volume, this is for increasing the volume. So the multimedia keys works commonly with all the devices. The brightness key work only for laptops, so this is not applicable for each system. Also you can press the function key to change. This is the workspace key. You can use it to change different workspace here. Now the Bluetooth is properly configured with Windows devices and it is working. There is no issue with the connectivity and everything. This is how you pair Logitech K760 with Windows 8. We'll check out how to also use it on an Android device. We'll use a Samsung Galaxy Note mobile for it. Now we will pair Logitech K760 on Samsung Galaxy Note 2. This is an Android smartphone. To use it, first go in your settings, turn on the Bluetooth, turn on the keyboard and press the Bluetooth key at the back side. You can see the keys have started blinking here. Go to the Bluetooth section and click on scan. You can see Logitech K760 detected. Tap on it. It will give you a code here. You have to type the same thing that we have done in Windows. And press the return key. It is connected now. Under setting, you have to just ensure that it is marked as input device or else it will not be detected by any message or any email application. Now we'll see how it works on Galaxy Note 2. At the home screen, you can press the arrow key to navigate among different menus. You can see the options how it works. It's quite smooth with this smartphone. You can also use the multimedia key to play a song.
कीबोर्ड के ऊपर ना मोबाइल दिख रहा नहीं.
There are some limitation with the keyboard while using it on a smartphone. That can be due to the different kind of layout here. This keyboard is quite well optimized for high-end smartphones. Now as you have seen how we have connected the keyboard with a smartphone, we'll now check this on iPad. Now we will connect Logitech K760 on an iPad and see how it works. The process is same. You have to turn on your Bluetooth, go in settings, it is on, turn on the keyboard, press the Bluetooth key on the back side, the keys will start blinking here. You can see Logitech K70 detected, tap on it, you can see it is connected here. There are some limitation using this keyboard on a tablet or on a smartphone because somehow you have to use the tab to make changes, but you can use it for typing, for searching on Google, for writing email, for writing a message. You can see it works properly. You have to learn the shortcuts properly here because many things does not work on a tablet interface, but on Windows interface it is much easier to use. Logitech K760 is also built for other devices while it is marked as it is only built for Mac devices, but it works with everyone whichever has a compatible Bluetooth standard. And you have seen the process of connecting the keyboard on all three different platforms. Thank you. Visit techirana.in.